Hello students, now we will learn about plant hormone ethylene. Ethylene functions both in promoting functions of the plant parts and also regulating. How does it function? We will see. Ethylene initially is a gaseous phytohormone. Is a gaseous phytohormone. Phytohormone means the hormone that is produced in plants. It is produced by breakdown of amino acid methionine. Next, ethylene, it is produced at the area or site of production of ethylene is cells of that are undergoing senescence and also cells in the ripening fruit. So site of production is this ethylene, it is first found from the cells of that are undergoing senescence by Sarah Dowd. Found by Sarah Dowd. And ethylene was found from the cells of a ripening fruit by Proper. So, we will start with functions. Ethylene promotes horizontal growth of seedlings by increasing or swelling the axis of the seed. So, if you see a germinating seed like this central point is considered as the node and this will be the axis. So, it increases or it causes the swelling of axis and it helps in horizontal growth of seedling. So it functions in ethylene, it promotes senescence and it helps in promotes ripening of fruits. Ethylene, it helps in increasing length of petiole. And internode length in aquatic plants. We can write deep water plants. Ethylene, it helps in breakdown of breakdown of dormancy. Ethylene causes breakdown of dormancy, of seed dormancy. Ethylene, it promotes germination in groundnut seeds and sprouting in potatoes, etc. It promotes seed germination in groundnuts and sprouting in potatoes Along with auxins, it helps to increase flowering in pineapple. Next, ethylene is available in aqueous form or liquid form, that is called as ethylene. Ethylene. This ethylene, it helps in ripening of apples and tomatoes. Next, ethylene also helps in thinning of cotton fibers. Ethylene also helps in thinning of and walnuts. Ethylene majorly helps in thinning of fruits. What does mean by thinning of fruits? It means that if a plant is having more number of fruits, but the farmer need only some number of fruits that are very much large in size and which are giving more weight, then some of the fruits can be plucked off. So instead of plucking like that, if this ethylene was sprayed in some fruits, then they will fall off from the plant, so that few fruits from the plant will be growing larger in size. Thinning of fruit means dropping off some fruits from plant so that few fruits can give required size. Next, ethylene also helps in artificial ripening. Ethylene helps in artificial ripening. One important point is ethylene or ethylene, both of them helps to increase female flowering in cucumber. Promotes female flowering in. So we have used one more point here as ripening of fruit. This ripening of fruit, this happens by increasing the respiration rate in fruits. That increase in respiration rate is termed as respiration climatic. By increasing respiration. So this increasing of respiration is termed as respiration climatic. We will just point out what are important MCQs. Ethylene is a gaseous phytohormone. Next, what is the site of production? Next, this respiration climatic, this also one more MCQ. Next, it increases the internode length in aqueous plants. Next, ethylene along with auxins, it helps in promoting flowering in pineapple. Such type of nature is called as syngenistic nature. Means when two different phytohormones are doing same type of function, then termed as syngenistic nature. Next, aqueous form of ethylene is ethylene. Next, what is function of ethylene and what is difference between thinning of cotton fibers? Means here if the cotton fibers are thick, so the market value will be less. So for better consistency, this cotton fibers are being thinned. But there is difference between the meaning of thinning of cotton fibers and thinning of fruits. Here thinning of fruit means unwanted fruits are being removed by using ethylene. Next, it also helps in artificial ripening. If there are bulk number of fruits which are not ripened on the plant, then those are plucked off from the plant and kept in a room, and they are exposed to artificial ripening by spraying this ethylene or ethylene. So these are important points related to ethylene.